This must be the transport to the station, but how do we get the launch code?
We ought to warn you that the owner of that there station ain't accustomed to visitors.
And why should we trust you? You ejected us into space!
Apologies, my friend. Tell you what, allow us to make it up to you. Some space pirates from Ardolis have offered us bolts for Leviathan souls. Why, if you were to go and fetch some for us, we would happily give you the launch code.
Bark! Lombax has a death wish! Bark!
Yeah, used to belong to an explorer named Max Apogee. Nobody's seen him in ages. Rumor is, it's been taken over by two fierce warbots, bloodthirsty warriors from the days of the Great War. Old Percival had the Hall of Knowledge closed down to prevent folks from learning that piece of history. But from what I've been told, everything from this here asteroid to the furthest reaches of Praxis 12 once fell under the tyrannical rule of them Cragmites. Well, that is, until the Lombaxes led a revolt against them, freeing the galaxy. Some say it's the weapon that swallowed the entire Cragmite planet with a single shot. A vaporization ray cooked up by the Lombaxes when the Great War had reached a stalemate. Of course, nobody really knows for sure. Oh, them Lombaxes knew how to keep a secret, which is something a person in my business can appreciate. The Cragmites were the biggest threat the universe had ever seen. Vile, murderous, dim-witted creatures who moved from galaxy to galaxy, using and discarding planets after depleting all their natural resources. If you ask me, the galaxy owes the Lombaxes a debt of gratitude. If only they could have taken Tachyon with them when they left. Whatever weapon your race used to defeat the Cragmites is somewhere here, in Polaris, and Tachyon wants it bad. If he found out there was a Lombax left in the universe, well, that could be enough to make old Percival nervous. He wouldn't want history repeating itself on him, you know what I mean? Who, this little guy? Oh yeah, I won him in a game of Blargian roulette against Captain Slag. Almost cost me my one good eye.
All right, Chief. What can we do you for? Welcome to the group. All right, Chief. What can we do you for? Bada bing, bada boom. Bada bing, bada boom.
Teleporter cannons always make my sprockets tingle. That was fun. Can we do it again? We have all the souls we need, Ratchet. We should get back to the smuggler.